Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove an object in PhotoRoom on your photos. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official PhotoRoom application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see all the options that you can start using, like create, you can see your batch photos, your content, and so on. And in the top right part of the screen, we can click the Get Pro option to get started with using the Pro version, which has more features, but we do not need the Pro version to be able to remove objects. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to do it. So the first thing we have to do guys is go ahead and click the photo we want to remove the objects for. So we can click on start from photo, and after clicking on start from photo guys, now we can go ahead and select the object and the photo we want to use. I'm going to select this photo right here. As you can see, now the AI is going to go ahead and automatically remove the background for us, and now we can get started with editing and removing our objects. So you can use the original background if you want, but if you want to remove a photo and an object from it, then you want to go ahead and click this cutout button right here, which is going to open up your image. And now you want to click on this erase button right here, and after clicking on erase, now you want to draw over the erase object that you want to erase. So just draw over it guys. I'm going to go ahead and select this hand, and as you can see, now the AI will automatically remove this from our photo, and if you click on done, you will no longer be able to see that object. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.